Today, we're exploring an incredible AI-powered translation tool that's changing the way we interact with multilingual content online. Whether you're a language learner, a traveler, or someone who frequently encounters foreign languages online, Lufe.ai has features designed to make your life easier. First things first, let's get Lufe set up. So open your browser and head over to the Lufe website and click on Install Extension. It's free to install and doesn't require any credit card information. Once installed, you'll see the Lufe icon in your browser toolbar, ready to assist you with translations. Now let's dive into one of Lufe's standout features, which is the bilingual translation for web pages. To use this feature, navigate to an article in a foreign language. With Lufe activated, it automatically detects the language and displays the bilingual format, showing the original text alongside the translation. This side-by-side view is perfect for language learners, allowing you to understand sentence structures and vocabulary in context. Next up is the Quick Translation Floating Ball feature that brings instant translations to your fingertips. To use this feature, highlight any word or phrase and the floating ball appears. Click on it and you'll get an instant translation complete with pronunciation. This is incredibly useful for reading foreign content without disrupting your browsing experience. And just when you thought Lufe couldn't get any better, it pulls out its secret weapons, image and PDF. Imagine this, you're traveling abroad and you come across a menu that's entirely in a language you don't understand. You could play culinary roulette, or you could snap a photo and let Lufe translate it for you. Suddenly, mystery meets surprise becomes grilled chicken sandwich, crisis averted. Or perhaps you've received a PDF document filled with complex tables and diagrams in a foreign language. Manually translating it would be a nightmare, but with Lufe.ai, you can upload the PDF, and it will not only translate the text, but also preserve the original layout, including those intricate tables and images. It's like having a personal translator with a PhD in document formatting. If you're interested in trying out Lufe, check out the link in the description below. Using this link supports the channel and helps me bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching.